Hi there, Sherman Palmeiras here. How important is a protein shake for you? Well, some of my friends, they asked me about my protein shake. What are the ingredients, how I use it, and how I make my protein shake. So I decided to make this video to release these secrets for you. I will be talking about the ingredients that I put in, how I use it, the indication that I made for myself. And please note, this is not a medical recommendation for you, okay? I will be just showing you, I will be just talking about the ingredients that I use for myself. And if you have any concerns about a health condition, go and seek your health care provider. And in case of emergency, of course, call 911. And please, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you can receive the notifications. Let's go! Hi people, Sherman Palmeiras here. Some friends of mine, they asked me about my smoothie or protein shake that I prepare for me every morning. To be honest with you, it varies. It doesn't have one recipe that I prepare for me every morning. It varies according to my needs and according to my goals as well. And for now, what I'm doing is this. I'm boosting my immune system, and because I'm still doing some workouts outside. Yes, because we still have a good weather to go outside. And because I'm doing these workouts, I am building my muscle mass as well. And basically, what I'm doing is this. Again, this is not a recommendation. This is just what I have been doing for the last, I would say, 2 months. And this is almond milk without sugar, of course. And I just added 250 cc's and half a cup of blueberries. And here they go, blueberries, half a cup. Yep, they sound delicious. And then comes my secret weapon, vitamin C. 2 grams of vitamin C. And this is amazing, you have to be careful with this. This is zinc. I'm taking 15 milligrams of zinc per day. Actually, I don't take every day, because if you take every day for like 4 months, it can cause problems with your copper, and you don't want that. What I do is this, I do like a day in and off, and even sometimes I stop for 1 week. 15 milligrams of zinc. Here it goes. And now comes the protein powder. This is whey protein powder, straightforward, no additives, no sugar of course, no anything, just whey protein, straightforward. And I just added it to the mixture, and I will bring up one component that I want to explain for you what it is. This is one and the last component that I want to add to that mixture of a protein powder, and as you can see, this is honey. Okay, wait a second. I just mentioned to you that I don't put sugar anywhere on my smoothie or my protein powder. And why am I bringing now honey into my smoothie? Well, as I said to you, I am doing some workouts because I want to build some muscle mass, right? And there are some reports, and quite interesting actually. And they say this: if you increase the insulin level just within the optimum window, which is 20 minutes, and some people they say up to 2 hours after the workout. I prefer working during the first 20 minutes after the workout. If you increase the insulin level within that optimal hour, within that optimal window, you get more chances to get the amino acids, the protein powder, the almond milk, you can see, the blueberries, and right there, as you can see, yes, the honey. And the report says if you do the insulin increase within that optimal window, you increase the odds to increase the absorption of the amino acids to the muscles. Let's stir this up, and the protein powder will be ready to go. See you soon, bye. Okay, great, yes. And it took me a little while, I think somewhere between 2 and 3 minutes, because I just wanted to crush the tiny seeds of the blueberry quite well, and I also wanted to crush the vitamin C quite well. And now let's see, it's ready to go. As you can see, the smoothie is thick. Okay. It smells is so good. As you can see, it's thick and the smell is really good, people. Okay, and voila, it's ready to go. Enjoy. Well, that's all. I hope that you have enjoyed the video, and now that you know my ingredients that I use, why I use it, and how I make my protein shake, please remember, this is not a recommendation for you. This is how I make for me. And if you have any health concern, go and seek your healthcare provider. And again, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and get in touch. Put in here your questions, your suggestions. I will try to answer all the questions as far as I can and as fast as I can as well. Please be patient, and see you next video. Bye.